So, because one of these is always
these are rotated. So if we use
one of these is always power, and the other one's always the MOSFET taking it to ground. So just make sure you don't get them mixed up for obvious reasons. Because it would just be both of them turning on. It'd be like trying to charge two cars trying to charge each other's batteries to run.
But in the way these are laid out,
long to get there.
if we take that as being
noise it makes.
It means that this one here, in the same position rotated, it's the one closest to this end is the MOSFET.
Oh, the kind of rumbling.
The MOSFET is the MOSFET.
Okay.
Ticking noise. Tick, tick, tick.
And the other one is 5 volts. Yeah. So if you wire those two in parallel, then the current should be divided through both of them. But can't do it. You will be able to do that on the new version of Electronics, so we've got a jumper on the board that drives them both at the same time.
Okay. We can't do it on this one.
No. Not unless I change the firmware to do it, and I don't think Marlin even supports that kind of hack. But on the new boards, yes, you can do it. So for the moment, what you probably want to do then is just take the bottom pin and then take the tap off there, or off the power supply, even better. But it doesn't matter if you burn it anyway.